Hello, my name is Amirreza Alizadeh Ghannad and this is MST400-project1. First of all, we have to understand what we are supposed to do. This is the architecture diagram. I added some points. We have 4 VMs in the main part and 1 VM here. Region 1 is supposed to be Canada, region 2 is supposed to be Spain, and we have to configure our system so the way that the traffic is sent to the nearest server, not any server. When we are near Europe, we need to go to Spain server. When you are near North America or America, we should go to Canada server. In this project, I use a gateway for trafficking. Let's close this one. And I want to show you my virtual networks. I have virtual network R1, virtual network R2 and R3, and web server 1. Let's go to R1 and show you the address space. This is the address space, subnets that I used, and also I used my assigned IP address in Blackboard 192.168.3.0. And this is the also address space, subnets. Let's go back, or virtual network 3. This is the address space, and subnets. This is the subnets, and the last one. Now I'm gonna show you my virtual machines. As you can see, I have 2 web servers for Canada, 2 web servers for Spain, and 1 client VM for testing. All of them are in the running position or running status, as you can see. Let me show you the web server 1's configuration. This is, for example, web servers 1 configuration. This is for the network setting. RDP is activated. Let's go to the Spain one, for example. Also, this is the configuration for the Spain one. Network settings. Also, we have RDP session, so we can connect to it later. So I showed you the virtual networks. Let me show you the application gateway. We have 2 gateways, Canada and Spain. And I configured the traffic manager for our use. This is the DNS name. Network security group. These are network security groups. And instead of load balancer, I used application gateway. Okay, and so right now I RDP'd to my sessions. This is my own laptop browser, and this is the South Africa client VM. Let's have it together. Right now my computer VM is near to Canada, so I'm gonna refresh, and it's supposed to give me a Canada server. Refreshing. Look, the color changes, but it's always same in Canada. A refresh, pink. The background is pink, but it's still Canada. This is the South Africa's VM, and even let me open you a new browser. Control V. Let me Control C, Control V. It gives me Spain because this VM is in South Africa and it's in Africa region. So Africa is near to Europe. So the traffic goes to the Europe server, and I refresh. This is web server 2, but still it gives me the Spain web server. Let me refresh again. The red background for web server 1, but still in Spain. Let's do a refresh again for the other one. Again, the background still changes. Web 2, web 1 goes back and forth with the web 2 different backgrounds, but it always goes to the Spain. That's the reason, because we are in South Africa and it goes to the nearest server. Thank you very much, Professor. I wish you a very good day.